Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Lelit BL62 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a tune-up, descaling the heat exchanger, which was there was a lot of scale build up in here. Inside the heat exchanger, we also descale the boiler, replace the gasket of the E61 group head, replace the shower filter as well, and just give it a good cleaning all around it. That's all we did. We also we also replaced the vacuum release valve, the one that is inside the machine. Unfortunately, I cannot find it right here, but we replaced it. And yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grand series on this machine. Otherwise, gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely drip. My cup is not big enough. As you can see, espresso range is at 8. We can stop it right now. My cup is not big enough, so we lost a little bit of crema in there, but as you can see, we had a nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine. Really good layer of crema, an excellent quantity. The flow of the shower head is great, nice and steady. Steamer having excellent pressure, working really well. And hot water working excellent. And there you have it, Lelit working once again. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.